learn Spanish in less than 10 minutes. Hola, I am teacher Catalina, and today we're going to be learning about saludos. En español, greetings. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I'd like to invite you to click that subscribe button. And please remember that if you click that me gusta button, it really helps my channel. While you're at it, do not forget to click that bell. It will tell you when we have new videos. And please remember, if you go to teachercatalina.com, you can find a lot of really good resources to learn Spanish. Let's start. Saludos. Greetings. The most common way to say hello to somebody is by saying hola. Hola. Remember, that H is silent. Now, if it's morning, afternoon, or evening, we can use different greetings. Let's go over them. To say good morning, buenos días. Buenos días. For the afternoon, buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. In the evening, buenas noches. Buenas noches. Now let's look at some preguntas, some questions that you can use to follow up your greeting. Basically, you're asking questions to find out how people are doing. Questions to ask how someone is. The most common way is to ask, how are you? ¿Cómo estás? Now, this is in the tú form. And in Spanish, that means that we're going to be informal. Maybe you're talking to a friend or to a family member or someone who's younger than you. In Spanish, we could also say, ¿Cómo está? And that is going to be the usted form. That means we're going to be formal. Use this form when you're talking to somebody you just met or somebody you want to show respect to or somebody who's older. Other ways of asking how someone is include ¿Qué tal? Just another way of asking how are you. You could also use ¿Qué más? Which is basically asking what else? What else is up? Another common way would be ¿Cómo has estado? ¿Cómo has estado? How have you been? ¿Cómo va todo? ¿Cómo va todo? How's everything going? And finally, we have ¿Qué hay de nuevo? ¿Qué hay de nuevo? What's new? Excellent. Now you know the saludos, greetings, and preguntas, questions to ask how someone is. Now let's talk about how to respond to those questions. You could say, Estoy bien, gracias. I'm good, thank you. However, you could also emphasize and say, Estoy muy bien, gracias. I'm very good, thank you. Más o menos, more or less, so-so. You could say, Estoy más o menos. If you're not doing good, you could say, Estoy mal. Estoy mal. And you can even emphasize it by adding muy. Estoy muy mal. Finally, say ¿Y tú? And you? To ask how the other person is doing. And that's it, friends. Greetings and how to respond. Chócalas. Give me a high five. You did it. Let's practice a little bit. Práctica. Let's call her Ana. And this is Maria. They're about the same age. Or perhaps they're friends. Ana says, Hola, ¿cómo estás? Now it's Maria's turn to respond. So she says, Estoy muy bien. ¿Y tú? To which Ana replies, Muy bien, gracias. That's an example of an informal exchange. Now, let's say it's night. And we have Juanito, a young boy, and Ana, who we met before. Juanito says, Buenas noches. ¿Cómo está usted? He's being formal since Ana is older. Ana responds, Estoy bien. ¿Y tú? Now, Ana is being informal. Juanito replies, Estoy bien, gracias. Did you see how this exchange was an informal exchange? ¿Cómo estás? Well, this exchange had both formal and informal. To review the difference between tú and usted, informal and formal, click here for a video lesson. Now you know how to greet somebody in Spanish, whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening. Thanks again for joining me. Again, I am Teacher Catalina, and I would so much appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And also, don't forget to subscribe so that we can keep learning together. By the way, make sure you click that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. And don't forget to go to teachercatalina.com for a lot of free learning resources. Adios!